Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I drilled, well, not really drilling holes, but how I made the stock hole for the Civic work for the hybrid racing shifter. Yeah, my bad for it being dark in here. I got a little light in here to help, you guys see. But yeah, basically I used the factory hole back here to run my shifter cables for my for the hybrid racing shifters for the K-series. I mean, it didn't look like that at first. I'll show you how it looks under it. Alright, so this is how it looks from under the car. So basically what I did, like I said, this is the stock from factory hole. The only thing I did was make it more bigger. I'm also going to get a trim around, a piece of rubber trim around this, so it doesn't shave the shifter cables. I'm already aware of that. I have that coming in today. Yeah, and I know about these little scratches. I'm gonna retouch up the paint right here anyway. So yeah, so basically it was probably like this small. The only thing I did was I cut a grinder to it a little bit right here, and then I got my my Dremel, and I made this little bend, not this bend, I made this little cut right here, and then I shaved it smooth, so now it has plenty of space to move around. So yeah, I got enough space to put the cables in. So yeah, this is how it came out. So yeah, I've seen a whole bunch of people run them up here, and usually they delete the heater core, but I didn't want to delete the heater core, or I didn't want to make a big huge ugly mess up here, like an ugly hole. I'll put up a video right here. I'll put up a picture right here. I've seen a couple people run them, and yeah, I'm simply not gonna run my Civic like that. That looks very terrible. I'm not trying to do nothing like that. So I'm also not trying to bash nobody, but I'm just not trying to, get a rig it for now. I want this car to make it look as presentable as I can, because I'm learning. This is all a learning process for me. I also haven't seen no videos that actually goes in depth and actually explains how to cut it, where to cut it. Everybody just skips over this, or does a quick video, or a quick skip over on this. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this with you guys. Like I said, it's my first time doing all this learning. So yeah, so if I were to run this, I would have run these cables through right here over the subframe. But like, this is just mock-up. I'm only mocking everything up, and I'm gonna take everything right back out. I'm gonna strip the interior. I'm gonna clean everything. I gotta take this all back out. I gotta take this all back out anyway. So yeah, so back to the top. Okay, so basically, I like this plate. It was basically just I used the two factory holes from it used to hold the shifter linkage from the B series. Actually, you know what? Let me just take this off. Okay, yeah, so what I like about this plate is that I didn't have to cut extra holes or anything. I only had to drill 2 extra holes up here to actually put bolts in it. I'll show you right now. Sorry for the lighting at a time. There's 1, 2, then you have your 4 bolts. And like how I was saying, this runs these 2 bolts on the bottom. These aren't bolted up. These are gonna be nut and bolt. These are like threaded. These are from the factory bolts that held the linkage, bushing and everything. So yeah, I mean, the only thing I had to do was grind this rusty. Yeah, it's rusty. I know. It bothers me too. I'm gonna take this out and paint it. I might just paint the whole inside of the car. I don't know. We'll see. We'll get into it. But but yeah, what I had to do was I had to grind down this a little bit to actually get this plate to actually fit all the way right. So right here, and then just line up the bolts, line up the holes right here. Then you have your 2 bolts here, and then your 2 bolts here. That's what I really like about this. Pretty simple. I mean, even for me, it's my first time ever doing a big swap like this, so I'm learning as I go. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I use this plate, and then I put the shifter on top with those 4 bolts, and then that's how the hole looks like without nothing in it. Like I said, it's pretty nice. I didn't have to drill no extra hole in the car. This is pretty nerve-wracking, drilling a hole in the car, you know, because once you drill a hole, you can't go back. So I just wanted to make something work that was already there. So yeah, it was pretty clean. I mean, I'm probably gonna clean up a little bit more. Like I said, I'm gonna put that rubber trimmer on this, so it's gonna look very nice and, you know, very presentable. Yeah, so this is just pretty much a quick video on how to cut a hole. I mean, on where to cut a hole, and how to install your shifter on your K-swap DK. Like I said, my first time, so I'm learning as I go. But yeah, anyways, like, subscribe. I'll pick this video up when I start to take out the rugs, and I start to take out the seats and all that, because yeah, I'm gonna re-dye this black. I'm going to clean this up, dye it black. I'm gonna take out these seats. These are gonna be for sale soon. They're like new. I mean, they're in very good condition. So yeah, I want to get some 9th gen seats or some 8th gen seats. I like how the SI looks on it, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna go for. I might just paint this black too, make it match. I'm not really too sure. Actually, you know what, I might not do that, because then I gotta paint the whole dash. So yeah, so yeah, this was just pretty much a quick video to summarize it. There's not a lot of videos, you know, as I said, there's not a lot of videos out there that actually explains this and where to cut the hole. A lot of people think they're gonna cut the firewall. There's no space to do that. You'd have to take out this, I think it's called the heater core, the blower. I think I'm 80% sure it's the heater core. That's what it's called. You'd have to remove this, and then you get access to the firewall. But like I said, I wanted to make something convenient for me and something simple right there. Then, like I said, that hole was already there. I just made it bigger. So yeah, like and subscribe for more. I'll pick it up when I have more content.